Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a vehicle that is close to a wall and the doors open like this, and you're afraid they're gonna hit like that, this item and video might just be for you. Whenever there's a car close to a wall, there's always a concern if the door opens wide enough that it's gonna hit whatever is on the wall. This is a great example of where this was the case. And I was looking for something that was going to protect the edges of the door, and with the wood panel, the sheetrock, and concrete all right in this general area of the door, the last thing that I would want is to have the door damaged. And this product right here is a white foam material that has a very sticky back. It just peels off. It just peels off. And the thickness is what I was really paying attention to. This is 3/4 inch. Each individual piece is about 15 3/4 inch wide by about 6 inches tall. And so you got a pretty good amount of space you can cover. Each pack has a handful of these that come with it. The cool part, because this is made for a garage application, is that it's water resistant. So if by chance the vehicle's wet, water's not going to soak into it and kind of ruin it. It's also mildew resistant, which is also a plus. So if water does get on here, you're not gonna have mildew that's gonna get on there and just look bad. These are a white foam type material. There's a little bit of a texture on there. Really doesn't matter as far as I'm concerned. It has enough give that even if the door was open like quite hard into it, it's still gonna have this cushiony effect and not damage the door, which is obviously a plus. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this very, very cool and very handy door protector, we'll call it, and we'll talk to you soon.